Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the blue corner from Aki Boxing Gym, Kenneth Yanson. In the red corner from Melodic Gilmore, Carl John. Referee in charge, Playboy of the Month.
Ito na partner, no? Up next, Kenneth Yanzon of Aki Boxing Gym versus Carl Jao of Elorde Gilmore joining me today. Nag-break lang ng saglit si Alvin Esgo. Kasama ko ngayon, Antonio Uy. Red corner, jab to the body, overhand by the blue corner.
Shows out.
Yes sir. Probably, are you talking about Elorde Sukat? Sir Roland? That you used to spar in 3 times a week. This is the oldest Elorde here in the Elorde Sports Complex. So your memory is probably correct, no? Shoutout po sa inyo dyan sa Bawan, Batangas Amazing Camp Boxing Gym, Mr. De Chavez. Marina, hindi po namin alam yung nananalo sa kabilang ring, no? Nandito lang kami sa ring C nag-commentate. We don't get updates from the other ring. So, right now, the best option is to go here para mapanood niyo live. If that's not possible, you would have to wait for the uploading, no, of the recorded video ng ring A at ring B. Oo nga, sayang nawala yung live kanina. But again, for something as volatile as signal ng internet, wala tayong magagawa talaga pag yan ang bumigay, ano? But we're glad to be back here for you guys. Art Tapang, shoutout sa inyo dyan sa Muntinlupa Boxing Team. Sana bawat gym na nanonood ngayon, sana mag-follow kayo sa Elorde TV, no? Partner, anong tingin mo sa round na yon?
Grabe, nakakalito dito pala manood, partner. 3 ring ang ginagamit dito kasi sobrang daming mga lumalabang mga amateurista dito. So, yun, sa harap natin ngayon, sa ring natin, nakikita ko dito napakagandang match-up to. Tapos, magagandang binibitawan dito sa blue corner, malulutong ng mga body shots. Tapos yung red corner naman, hindi naman nagpapatalo, gumagamit naman ng...
ladies and gentlemen, we have a winner by points in the
red
corner.
Dito. Tapos style.
Salamat partner, no?
Ito, round number 2 pa lang tayo. Kakaumpisa pa lang pala yun. Sobrang nalito talaga ako dito. Sa 3 ring. Kahit saan ako tumitingin, may lumalaban.
Shout out Sir A.G. Arman watching us from Colorado, USA, A.G. Boxing Gym. Here we
Next
go, round
bout,
2.
Morley versus Arante.
You're watching Kenneth Yanson in the blue corner versus Carl Jao in the red corner from Elorde Boxing Gym.
Yun,
solid hooks right there from the blue corner.
Inayaw na ng referee. Malulutong na left hook and right hook na sunod-sunod na tumatama.
So our referee Don Arguelles has decided to end the bout kasi 4 na magkakasunod yun na solid na punches, ano? Yes, thank you so much also, Sir Roland. I hope you are enjoying the bouts. It's
Blue corner,
an
Sean
honor
Morley.
and it's a joy to have you in our
Blue,
comment section
Sean
and our
Morley.
live stream each time. Ano, parati kayo, alam namin
Lorenzo
na parati
Arante,
kayo
red
nanonood.
corner.
Maraming
Let's
salamat.
shout Christian, the landmark Fuentes, versus JB Madrid. Akin na sa ring, akin na sa ring. Referee, stop contest.
Grabe dito pag ikaw yung lumalaban siguro. Pag nag-bail ang kabilang ring, akala mo bail na rin sa ring na nilalabanan mo, hindi pa pala. Kaya nalilito sila minsan.
The referee stops the contest.
Pero habang wala pang sabi ang referee na stop, pwede tuloy lang sa suntukan.
At the blue corner,
There you have it. We have our winner from
Christian, landmark Fuentes.
the blue corner.
Lines. Wala nang trophy dito, wala nang trophy. Fuentes,